For the mojito or the marinade, we're gonna need fresh garlic, sour orange, extra virgin olive oil, freshly ground black pepper, and my all-natural seasonings, sazon casero, adobo casero, and my all-in-one multi-purpose seasoning. Start by crushing the garlic. Add your black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, adobo casero, and the sazon. Mix it and add the sour orange, finally the olive oil. Taste and adjust your seasoning. Cover and place it in the refrigerator to marinate for an hour. And grill the chicken about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. And finally, there you have it, grilled chicken and ajilimojili sauce. It's finally time to taste our grilled chicken. I'm serving my chicken with our ajilimojili sauce, and I'll leave the link to that video right up here. This grilled chicken is a perfect pairing for just about anything. You can serve it with rice, pasta, salad, perfect in a sandwich as a main course. Today I'm serving it with our apio mash, and you can find the full step-by-step recipe right up here. Let's go ahead and try it. Look at that chicken, it's perfectly cooked. Let's go ahead and try it. Yum. My goodness. It is tender and juicy, a little spicy since I used my spicy ajilimojili sauce. With the perfect balance of the spice, and the ajilimojili sauce is perfect for this grilled chicken. It's the perfect balance between tangy and spicy. Absolutely lovely. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Give me a thumbs up and activate the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my original, simple, and delicious video recipes like this one. And until next time, I'm Evita, cooking at the rhythm of my heart. Buen provecho y hasta la próxima. Wow, yummy. You really have to try it.